This is the only carrot cake you need in your life. Do yourself a favour and start by lining the base and sides of the tin with eco-friendly, home compostable baked paper for perfection every time. Start by whipping the eggs, brown sugar, oil and vanilla. Fold through loads of fresh carrot, flour, and the perfect combination of spice, cinnamon, ginger, and a grating of fresh nutmeg. Add a little yogurt to keep the cake super soft and just a few nuts for crunch. Every carrot cake needs the dreamiest lemony cream cheese frosting. It should be whipped until it's super light. Spread the frosting over the layers of the soft spice cake for a finish that is basic yet pure brilliance.